I came here for the human rights program, but when I came, I actually ended up doing the intensive Arabic because I kept on taking more lessons because the teachers here were so amazing and I was progressing so quickly.
I chose Palestine because I wanted to see the situation for myself and be able to go back home to America and educate other people about what's really going on here.
Throughout the human rights program, we did different things. Like, for example, we went to the Fawar refugee camp. We got to see and pray in Ibrahimi Mosque. We went to H2, past the checkpoints, and we got to speak to Palestinian family living in H2 under harsh conditions.
My experience here has been the best experience of my life. I never expected to fall in love with the city so much, and the people here, they welcome you with such open arms. Nothing but love and kindness radiates from everyone on the streets, from the center to the people on the streets. It's just love and kindness. They
knew the level that I was at before, and they expanded and grew on the level with my teacher. She was very good, great teacher, and I learned more about the way to speak here, specifically in Al-Khalil and the Shami dialect.
Well, as far as the safety concern, in the city of Hebron, there was never at any point that I personally felt unsafe. Of course, there were moments only with the checkpoints whenever we had to cross into Israeli territory. This was a little bit different, but as far as staying in the city, I have never felt more safer, even comparatively to my city back home. The city here has felt very safe.
I think that people all over the world would really benefit from coming to visit Palestine because you can see a new way of life, meet new people, experience a new culture, and really learn to understand what's going on here with the occupation.